Hey everybody, excuse me, I've only had a couple hours sleep. It's the Alien 2006 here. Again, excuse the voice. Um, I uploaded on December 5th UFO in the News video which showed just a couple days worth of data from lasco 3 showing an object moving much faster than everything else. I went ahead and downloaded 9 days worth of data, which took a while, so I did that prior to making the actual video. So here, if you look up on top, I am at the SOHO data from the NASA site, and it was 871 images, which is a GIF basically turned into an MPEG, and this is what it is. It moves kind of slow, so please be patient as you watch the object. The object's going to appear here approximately. So when it appears, I'm going to go ahead and move the mouse pointer approximately where it starts from, and then you can see where it ends up from. So okay, so we'll do that once we start it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the start and hit the start button. So the object appears there. I'm going to go ahead and drag this across approximately right here. That's where it is. So as it moves, it goes and goes and goes. As you see, everything's moving uniformly except for this object here. This object started over here, and now it's moving over here, and it seems to be going further up as you look at it where it is now compared to where it started over here. Disappears behind this as you see more and more CMEs are going on. I'll get to that in a second after we see when the object comes back. Again, as you see, everything is moving uniformly. Nothing out there. The object has not come back yet. Again, this is just another start. There's another CME. And as you're going to start to see pretty soon, the object starts to appear here. There it is. It's moving, moving, moving. And again, you see where this thing ends up. It's way up here now, above this. There it is. Another CME happens. But there's the object. It keeps going. It keeps going. You can see the date down here of what's going on. But there's the object. It's moving much faster again than anything else. And it moved position as far as where it starts from and ends up at. And it goes away. That's Venus, I believe. It's moving just fine. Again, everything is moving uniform except for that. And we end on 12:9. And I'm going to go ahead and stop because this does start over. You'll see that everything again is just moving uniformly except for that one object that, again, moved up and so on and so forth. So let me go back to the start. The object comes in right here. Let me get it into frame. I'm going to go ahead and start it and stop it. So the object starts here. If I move the pointer straight across, look where it is, right here. And as you saw, the object ends up here. So it literally moves up like this and then comes up this way. So it's really weird. And now let's count the CMEs. We're going to go back to the start. There's one happening here. It's a double, but I'm going to count that as one. Okay? And let's go ahead and start it. There's one. Okay, so that big explosion was one. There's another one right here. That's two. So it keeps going. And you can still look at the object. We have two so far. And it seems pretty quiet. So two CMEs that have occurred already in the span of 2 days. A real huge one, and then that one that we saw up here. There's another one right here. So that's number 3. So now we're up to 3 CMEs. Again, everything's up. There's number 4. Everything's moving uniform. There's another one, number 5. It's a double. There's 5 CMEs going on now. Let's keep going. 5 CMEs in 4 days. There's another one. There's number 6. I hit. Let me go ahead and start it again. Sorry about that. I hate when this happens. I didn't mean to click. Okay, so I believe we were up to 5 CMEs in 4 days. Come on. There's another one. That's number 6. That's a little one, but still, look at, you can see the ejection. So there's 6. There's another one right there. That's 7. 7 CMEs in 6 days. So, I don't know. That's a lot of CMEs going on. And oh, there's another one. 7. No, excuse me. That's number 8. 8. CME number 8. There's another one right there. It's number 9. So we have 9 CMEs. And there's another one right there, number 10. Just count them, I mean, you know. 10 CMEs, there we go. And let me stop it because that was it. So there you go, guys. Alien 2006, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Be good humans. And again, please excuse the voice, only a couple hours sleep last night. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.